Most traders think AI will magically tell them when to buy and sell, but that belief alone is already a losing mindset. The truth is, AI is not here to replace your brain, your discipline, or your responsibility as a trader. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it only amplifies what you already are. If you are undisciplined, AI will help you lose money faster. If you are structured and patient, AI can dramatically improve your decision-making process. In this video, I want to show you how I actually use AI to trade smarter, not by asking it for signals, entries, or predictions, but by using it to fix the exact problems that cause most traders to fail. Most traders don't lose because they lack information. They lose because they are overwhelmed, emotionally biased, and inconsistent. And this is exactly where AI becomes powerful when used correctly. The first mistake traders make with AI is treating it like an indicator. They ask questions like, should I buy or sell Euro USD right now? And when the answer doesn't work, they conclude that AI doesn't work for trading. But that's not the purpose of AI. Markets are probabilistic and dynamic, and no AI can consistently predict short-term price movement. What AI can do extremely well is structure your thinking, remove emotional noise, and help you operate like a professional instead of a gambler. The way I use AI starts before I even open a chart. Instead of jumping into trades emotionally, I use AI to define my daily bias. I feed it macro context, higher time frame structure, session expectations, and my personal trading rules, and I ask it to challenge my bias, not confirm it. This is critical because most traders unconsciously seek confirmation, not truth. AI doesn't care about your ego, your last loss, or your need to be right, and that alone makes it more objective than most human traders. Once my bias is clear, I move to execution. But even here, AI is not used for entries. Entries come from my strategy, not from a chatbot. What AI helps me with is decision filtering. It helps me decide when not to trade, which is far more important than finding more trades. Overtrading is one of the biggest account killers, and AI helps me enforce patience by reminding me of my rules, my statistics, and my long-term goals. Another powerful way I use AI is journaling. Most traders hate journaling because it feels boring and time-consuming, but journaling is where consistency is built. AI allows me to turn raw trade data into meaningful feedback. After each trading day, I input my trades, my emotions, my mistakes, and my adherence to rules, and AI helps me identify patterns I would otherwise miss. It shows me that my losses don't come from bad setups, but from specific behaviors, like trading outside my session, increasing risk after wins, or breaking rules after losses. This level of feedback accelerates learning dramatically. AI also helps eliminate emotional storytelling. When traders lose, they create narratives like, the market was manipulated, or I just had bad luck. AI strips away those stories and brings everything back to data and behavior. This is uncomfortable, but it's necessary for growth. Another area where AI becomes extremely valuable is psychology. Trading psychology is not about being emotionless, it's about being aware. AI helps me externalize my thoughts. When I feel fear, frustration, or overconfidence, I write it out and let AI respond rationally, reminding me of probabilities, expectancy, and process. This creates emotional distance, which prevents impulsive decisions. Over time, this trains the brain to respond instead of react. AI also helps with backtesting and refinement, not by creating strategies, but by analyzing execution quality. Many traders think they need better strategies, when in reality they need better execution. AI highlights whether losses come from poor entries, bad exits, or simply variance, and this clarity prevents unnecessary strategy hopping. One of the most underrated uses of AI in trading is risk management. AI helps me model worst-case scenarios, drawdowns, and long-term expectancy, which keeps me grounded during winning streaks and calm during losing streaks. This prevents overconfidence, which is just as dangerous as fear. It reminds me that survival is the first objective, not profits. Most importantly, AI helps me stay consistent. Consistency is not about motivation, it's about structure. AI becomes part of my routine, not my decision maker. It doesn't trade for me, it keeps me from trading badly. This is the key difference most people don't understand. Traders who try to use AI as a shortcut will fail, just like they fail with indicators and signal groups. Traders who use AI as a mirror, a filter, and a discipline tool gain a massive edge over time. The future of trading is not human versus AI. It's undisciplined traders versus structured traders who use AI intelligently. If you learn to use AI to improve your thinking instead of replacing it, you won't just trade smarter, you'll trade calmer, more consistently, and more professionally than the majority of traders in the market.